Dude, my ninja will die there. Huh? It's easy for you to say no, man. Man, my hands are paining like hell. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't stop, don't stop. Other than the ground here, it sucks big time. Okay, Jai Bajrangbali. Should I stand? Okay, I'll better stand and go. Don't hit, don't hit. No, I'm not standing. Ah, come on, Ninja. You gotta do it. You can't hit the bottom. Don't hit. Just keep going. That was nice. Can you come to such places on Ninja? Yeah, you can. Would I recommend you doing it? No. No. Yeah. Oh. Oh God. Huh, that was terrible. Okay, not good, not good. Man, it's so effortless, all these big bikes. Oh. 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 I don't know how you are managing it. Oh yes, it's very difficult. Oh, look at this incredible view, amazing. Man, my hands are paining like hell. So we had stopped here for a good like 15-20 minutes. Now these guys want to go ahead. I don't know where do they want to go. There is hardly anything that can be seen. Torture test continues for Ninja. Chalo, get started. Oh, I can hear my Ninja crying. So like, why are you torturing me so bad? Alright. Time to go on that side. Alright, so this is what Yoks was talking about. He wanted to come to the arch, the gate. The hands are suffering a lot, primarily the wrist and the palms. Not as torturous as I assumed. Good that the tires are not losing the grip yet. because my front tire is nearly bald. Needs to be replaced. Damn it. Oh god. Not good, not good. Dude, my Ninja will die there. It's easy for you to say no, man. Damn it. Damn it! That was hard. That was bloody hard. Oh god, this is so beautiful. How old is this tree? Oh, it's a couple of 100 years old. Okay, time to head back. The challenge hasn't ended yet. All the while it was uphill, now it's going to be downhill. Yeah. But there are no sudden turns and bends on this one, so it's still manageable. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't stop, don't stop. Sounds like a bloody... Do you need help? Wait, 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 wait. Ninja, don't fall, I'm coming. Oh, the shoe got stuck in this. Man, I was fast like Usain Bolt.